Jai Hind students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, welcome again in your EVS class. In your previous class, we have done book exercise of chapter 10 and I have given you homework to learn that book exercise. So I hope you all have done that homework. Today we will do copy work of that chapter. Okay, so take out your EVS notebook, pencil and eraser. Okay, let's start. First, write the date in your notebook. What is the date today? Today is 23rd November 2020. Okay, students? And what is the day today? Today is Monday. And which subject class is this? This is your EVS class. Write down chapter 10. Chapter 10. And what is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is Water We Drink. Okay? And this is your classwork. So, write down CA. All have done this? Your writing should be very much neat and clean. Write down index. Firstly, we will draw picture in this chapter. Okay. Then we will do difficult words. And then we will do question answers of this chapter. Okay, beta? Question answers of this chapter. Firstly, we will do picture, draw pictures. Then we will do difficult words of this chapter. And then we will do question answers of this chapter. Okay? So, you all have written. Now, move to next page. Come to the next page. Come to the next page and then write again the date, day, chapter 10, water we drink. The name of this chapter. And what I am giving? Now I am giving you homework. Okay. So, don't write CA here. Write down HA. Mention HA. What you will do? Draw any two sources of water and fill colors. ओके बेटा, आपको क्या करना है? ड्रॉ एनी टू सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर एंड फिल कलर्स. आपको वाटर के कोई भी टू सोर्सेज आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं और उसमें आपको कलर फिल करना है. ठीक है? दिस इज योर होमवर्क. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट पेज. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आइए. अब आप नेक्स्ट पेज ओपन करेंगे. अब आप नाउ राइट डाउन difficult words. Okay, beta. Again, you will write the date, day, chapter 10, name of this chapter, and then difficult words. Then we will start writing. Okay. Our first word is, you have to speak with me. Okay. First word is D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. What is this? Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Now, second word. Second word is U-N-F-I-T. Unfit. Which word is this? Unfit. जो पीने लायक नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Dirty water. Dirty water क्या होता है? Unfit for drinking. ठीक है. Now number 3. Number 3 is D-A-M-S. Which word is this? Can you guess? Yes. Dams. Dams कहाँ बनते हैं? River के ऊपर. To store the water. Now number 4. Number 4 is S-T-R-E-A-M-S. Streams. Which word is this? Streams. S-T-R-E-A-M-S. Streams. Wait for a minute. Yes. आप इसे stream लिखेंगे, streams नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay? This is stream. Fifth word is O-C-E-A-N-S. Oceans. Okay? Which word is this? Oceans. Now, number 6. Sixth word is B-U-C-K-E-T-S. Buckets. B-U-C-K-E-T-S. Buckets. Okay? Now, next word. Seventh word. Seventh is B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. ठीक है. Seventh word B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. Now next word. Eighth word. G-A-R. Gar. B-A-G-E. Bage. Garbage. Garbage क्या होता है? Do you know? Garbage क्या होता है? Garbage waste को कहते हैं हम. ठीक है ना? कूड़ा जिसे कहते हैं. Now number 9th. Ninth word is farming. F-A-R-M-I-N-G. Farming. And last word is L-E-A-K-I-N-G. Licking. ठीक है बेटा? Last word is licking. Now, again we will repeat these words. I hope you all have written. If you not done your work, आप मेरे साथ साथ speak भी करेंगे and अपना work भी complete करेंगे. Okay? First word is D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Second word is U-N-F-I-T. Unfit. ठीक है? Now, third word is D-A-M-S. Dams. Number 4th, S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. Number 5th, O-C-E-A-N-S. Oceans. Okay? Now, sixth word. Sixth word is B-U-C-K-E-T-S. Buckets. Seventh word is B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. Eighth word G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Okay. Now ninth word F-A-R-M-I-N-G. Farming. Number 10th L-E-A-K-I-N-G. Leaking. Okay everybody. Now आपको क्या करना है, आपको डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स लर्न करने हैं एंड जो मैंने आपको ड्रॉ वर्क दिया है यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट वर्क इन योर नोटबुक बेटा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज योर क्लास वर्क, टुडेज क्लास वर्क, you have to complete the whole work in your notebook. And in our next class, EVS next class, we will do question answers of this chapter. Okay beta? So we will meet in the next class and we will do the question answers of this chapter. Okay beta? So okay, bye bye.